Hello guys, welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today we have the Dyson HP04. So it is the Pure Hot+Cool air purifier. So yeah, let's open it up. So I'm really excited about this product, guys. So this is the top of the line Dyson air purifier. So it retails at around $689. Plus tax around $700. Yeah. Okay. So out of the box, you have the remote control here. You have the remote control, and we have the unit itself. So, more or less, guys, this unit is around more or less 3 feet. Okay. Also, that comes to the packaging is this carbon filter and the HEPA filter. So we'll be installing that later on. And let's get on to the app, and I'll show you how to install and set up this air purifier by Dyson. Once again, this is the HP04 model, so let's go. Okay guys, we're back. Before we set up the app, let's go ahead and read the warning label. So we must first install this carbon filters before using the air purifier. Okay, let's go and install it. There's a latch here, and on the other side there's also a latch. So you're just gonna press it all at the same time. Okay, so after pressing it all at the same time on both sides, this will pop off. So you have your HEPA filter here, and we're gonna be installing the carbon filter here on the inside. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so we already installed the other one here. So you're gonna hear a click, so just make sure that there's no loose ends here. So it's really sitting perfectly. Okay, let's do it again on the other side. Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Alright, so in order to turn on this, you need to press the power button here. Okay, then let's go ahead and install the app. Let's go to newcomer. Yes, agree. So if you can hear the whistling sound, it's the fan. It has already turned on. So it has the heater turned on. So we'll turn that one off. Okay, I'll just key in my email, and now we'll go on and set our password. All right, so we're set up. So let's add a machine. Hit OK. Okay, allow. Yeah, so just allow everything. Okay, so it detected that we have this in range. So hold your device next. Now press the power on your machine. This will activate the pairing process. Okay, let's go ahead and press the power button. Okay, it's now pairing. So sorry for the audio. The fan automatically turns on. Let's continue setup. So I'm just gonna connect on my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I already entered my Wi-Fi. So it's pairing through my Wi-Fi now, my router. So it'll just take a while, guys, but after this you can now control your Dyson HP04 air purifier. Okay, we're connected. Alright, so let's confirm connection. Where's your machine? Select room. It's in the bedroom. Okay, select. Confirm. When did you purchase your machine? It was in, sorry about that, on June 1. Okay. Okay, so we'll be receiving automatic updates. Okay, so as you can see, we can see the details here. Our air quality right now is currently good. We're at 83 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees humidity, 65% humidity, I mean. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's lower down the fan speed. Okay, it's now lowering down. So let's go ahead and change the rotation. So it's now rotating. Okay, so right now, let's go ahead and turn on the cooling. Let's ramp it up to 5. So as you can see here, guys, this is the air quality right now. So we're currently at good. So that means that there are just a little pollens or something that causes allergies in the air right now that we're in. Okay, so after that, let's go ahead and change the, what do you call this? Okay, so for compliance, the changing of the temperature is not available through the app, so we need to use the remote control for this option to work. So let's go ahead and grab the remote control. Okay, so we have the remote control here. So yeah, let's try. Okay, then let's go ahead and set the cooling. Alright, so it's now cool. The air is now cool. Probably it is much cooler compared to a regular fan. Oh, okay, so when you click this button right here, instead of the air going out in the front, it's now going out at the back. So I don't know what's the use of this yet, so let me know down in the comment section below if you guys know. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, Tools and Gadgets. Please hit the subscribe button below and see you again in our next vlog. Bye!